beautiful mommies. I hope you're taking good care of yourself. If you're watching this video for the first time, then hi, I am Sudarshana and this channel is dedicated to all the pregnant and the new moms who are looking out for the answers to all the weirdest questions about motherhood and help themselves to prepare for pregnancy, postpartum, mother and child care. So join me on my channel, Art of Mothering. Let us enjoy the motherhood journey together. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why organic cotton is best for your baby, and I'm going to show you two beautiful products which are must have for your newborn, and these products are from Mom's Home Organic. The first year of my daughter's life was full of so many discoveries. As a mother, I want to make sure that everything that touches my baby's skin is safe, chemical free and of best quality. And this concern naturally extended to her clothing as well. Do you know that 90% of all infants experience eczema? Do you know that the color on your baby's clothes can potentially be harmful? We all know that baby skins are more sensitive and absorbent than adult. This means when you put any conventional cotton on your baby, they're more likely to absorb any toxic material and they're more likely to have skin irritation because of the sensitivity. The baby's clothes, which we usually find in retail store or online, have often treated with chemical that may be harmful even when you read 100% cotton. Are you using organic cotton for your baby? If not, then this is definitely something you should start to think about, and let me help you mom making mindful choices starting with your baby clothing. The best and safest alternative for your baby today is to choose cloth made of organic cotton that is certified to organic standard. Organic cotton is grown naturally and sustainably without any chemicals or pesticide. So choosing organic cotton for your baby means you're limiting your baby's exposure to potentially harmful chemicals that are found in non-organic cotton. So now if you're looking out for an affordable and adorable organic clothing for your child, then Mom's Home Organic is a wonderful brand making every garment safe for your little one's skin, unlike the conventional cotton. The first 3 months of your baby's life, baby still will be adjusting to the new world. To make them feel comfortable, you make sure you swaddle them. This will help newborn to sleep better and it will give them a snug and tight feel just like in your womb. So let me quickly show you the swaddle. I have the swaddle from Mom's Home Organic. This is a set of 3 swaddle and this is 100% muslin cotton and it is certified by Global Organic Textile Standard. Let me open this for you. Wow. This is pre-wash fabric and this is super soft and breathable fabric. It has a perfect amount of stretch and firmness, and let me tell you, baby will definitely love the cozy feel of this muslin swaddle. It comes in a beautiful hand block print with eco-friendly colors. This is durable fabric and gets softer with every wash and is definitely gentle on your baby's skin. The best thing about this fabric that it is just not limited for swaddle. You can use it in a multiple way. You can use it as a baby burp cloth or a wash towel or a stroller blanket or a play mat or a nursing cover for your baby. That's the best thing about it. The swaddles are packed in a beautiful premium box and this is the perfect gift set for new moms and baby, and I absolutely love the collection. I would say this is the perfect combination of softness and care and a must-have product for your baby. And what a better choice than Mom's Home Organic. So wrap your baby with lot of love with this muslin cotton. So our next product is this AC quilt cum bedspread. This is a reversible blanket. You can use it both the ways. What do I say about this blanket? This is so super soft, lightweight, very warm, very pretty and but breathable. So more than my baby, I love this blanket so much. I simply adore this blanket. These blankets are available in different prints and pattern, and these are dyed in an eco-friendly color. So new mom and dad will definitely love this versatile addition to your baby's essential, and you're going to love it for sure. So don't forget to check out the wide collection of a sleeping suit, bedding set, rompers, socks and many more from Mom's Home Organic. And do let me know how did you like the collection. I will mention both the product detail in the description link below, and if you find this video helpful then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. You can even give me your feedback, write down in the comment section, and I'll come back soon with another useful information. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.